Today we are on a small private farm called Driehoek, just outside of a town called Dullstroom here in South Africa. This part of the country is famous for this. Dams that are full of both rainbow and brown trout, which is the reason that we are here. We are going to target both species using fly fishing rods, and as you can see, the conditions here look good. Oh, there was a rise. You can see I'm sitting in my float tube. I've currently got a sinking line on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this piece of weedy section here, because a lot of the insects live and operate in those weeds, and therefore the trout also operate next to the weed bed, eating the insects that I'm going to be imitating. You know, this is one of the reasons why we fly fish, not just to catch fish, but some of the places that fly fishing takes you, it's just magnificent. Unbelievable. On, off! That was a big one, eh?
Except it had like
quite a big fly, eh?
It is quite a big fly.
Awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. It's definitely olive, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, let me keep going. So I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of me fly fishing on a float tube in a very beautiful part of South Africa. Too bad I didn't land that monster fish that I had on earlier on. I'm going to continue trying as the sun starts going down. You can see that conditions now are not good, they are perfect. But if I don't catch anything, then this will be the end of that. Stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon to stay notified of future uploads. Cheers.